how to play a flight simulator on Google Maps for free. As you know, driving simulations are one of the most popular forms of entertainment. However, did you know that you can play a simulation on Google Maps? If you want to know how, stay until the end of the video. First of all, we have to download the Google Earth Pro application to our computer. Open the link from the video description. The link will take you to the Google Earth site where we need to download Google Earth Pro to our computer. Click on the option and then click on the Download Google Earth Pro on the desktop button. Accept all terms and install Google Earth. Once you download the app, just install it. I will not do that because I already have it installed. The installation is very basic. When you open Google Earth, all you have to do is press Ctrl plus Alt plus A. A window will open where you can choose the plane you want. You can also click on this drop-down to select the airport from which you want to take off. When you have set everything, click on the Start Flight button. And that's all. Now you can drive the plane by clicking with your mind in the center until a plus appears. To start the moto, hold the page up, and to lower the airplane page down. That's all for this video. Enjoy flying too. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.